Stuck trying to connect Facebook to Namecheap Hero? Watch this quick walkthrough to get it done in under 5 minutes. It is one of those things that looks like it should be simple, but the setting is buried just deep enough to be frustrating. I've been there myself, clicking around that editor, feeling like I was missing something obvious. So let me show you exactly where to go. We will start in the editor, click through the Hero settings, and finish with the Facebook connection. Let us go. First, open up your Namecheap dashboard and launch the website builder for the site you want to work on. You will want to make sure you are on the page where your Hero section lives, because that is the whole reason we are here. Once the editor loads up, take a second to get oriented. This is your main workspace. All right, now find the Hero section on your page. It is usually that big banner area at the very top with the headline and image. Click directly on it. You are not just selecting it, you are telling the editor, hey, I want to change this part. A little menu or a set of options should pop up around it. That is your cue that we are in the right spot. Now, pay attention to this next part because it is the one that usually trips people up. Inside the Hero settings panel, you are going to see a highlighted area or a clickable icon. It might look like a small gear or a link symbol. Click on that. This opens up the deeper settings where the social connections actually live. It is not out in the open. It is tucked away in here on purpose. Then you will see another highlighted option appear. This is the one that says something like Social Links or Connect Account. Click on that. A new window or prompt will slide out. This is the moment where the editor asks you which service you want to link. You want Facebook, so make sure that is selected. Finally, click the Continue button. This will kick off the authorization process. A new browser tab or a pop-up from Facebook will appear asking you to log in and grant permission. Go ahead and sign in there. This might take a moment to process. That is totally normal. Once you approve it, the tab will close and you will be back in your Namecheap editor. You should now see a green check mark or a confirmation that the account is linked. And there you go. That is all it takes. You went from stuck and unsure to having your Facebook account fully connected to Hero. Now you can enable social login or share content without any issues. If this walkthrough saved you some time, I would love to know. Thanks for following along.